This screencast presents the results of the project Semantic Container for Data Mobility, funded by the Federal Ministry for Transport, Innovation and Technology through the Austrian Research Promotion Agency FFG. Semantic Container provide a lightweight and standardized infrastructure for data provisioning between involved parties. It solves three principal questions when dealing with data. From a data scientist point of view, it answers the question about data definition in regard to data quality, timeliness, and access. For legal questions, semantic containers provide detailed information about allowed usage and provenance of the data. And from a business perspective, it allows to make data available with a price tag and a defined billing process. To summarize, semantic containers enable data exchange between multiple parties that covers scientific, legal, and business needs. The design relies on packaging data in a Docker container together with a semantic description of the data itself, a usage policy to define permissible use and provenance information for a complete audit track. For convenient access and management of this information, semantic containers also include the necessary program logic. Services for validation, legal compliance, and billing are provided by Own Your Data to cater for the respective functionality. Now we want to demonstrate how semantic containers can be used in practice. In the most simple case, a semantic container is started with the following command. Here we start the base container, locally import 3000 with the configuration provided in the file init.trig. Let's write some JSON data into the container. And of course, we can also retrieve the data and format the output nicely. Here we see the data we provided, the usage policy defined in the init, when the container was started, and the provenance information. More information and examples about using semantic containers is available online in various tutorials. Using semantic containers in the command line is for users who already know exactly the data and configuration for a specific use case. If you start from scratch, you may find it easier to use the semantic container visual configuration tool. There you can specify conveniently a usage policy or create a container configuration to be used when starting a semantic container. Another tool for visualizing the use of semantic containers is the linked widget platform. When you have a running semantic container, you can use it as a source for a linked data widget. There you can use the configuration options to filter for relevant data and display the results in one of the many output widgets. To find more information about semantic containers, please visit our website at ownyourdata.eu/semcon.